ultimatemonday.com tutorial. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can log into monday.com and how you can use monday.com. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit monday.com, this site, and after visiting this site, at the top left corner you can see this option, get started. Simply tap on to get started, and after tapping on to get started you can choose between two methods to log in. One is email address and another one is Google address. To make this video shorter, I'm going to choose the Google account. Then you have to tap onto your Google account. If you're choosing your Google account like me, then tap continue, and there we go, you are now being redirected to monday.com. Now you have to answer some questions like what brings you here. For me, I'm going to tap onto work, like what describes your best control. I'm going to tap onto freelancer, then I'm going to tap continue. Then you have to select what you would like to manage first. I'm going to tap on the design and creative, and okay, that's enough. Then I'm gonna tap into CRM, then continue, then audio streaming, TV streaming, outdoors, consultant, LinkedIn, email, Facebook, Instagram, software review site, then continue. You just have to choose the options depending on your preference. Just choose them and then log in into monday.com. So there we go. Now you have to, if you have another team members, you can add their email and then set them up as admins. Also, you can tap on to remind me later if you don't have one. Now you have to enter your first project, so 1p, then I'm going to tap on to next. Then you have to enter some relevant columns for your board, then next you just have to choose them. Then you have to enter your list, your projects, tasks, and etc. You just have to enter your everything. As you can see, these are being edited. Like, you have to enter the names perfectly, then you have to enter the owner's name, your status. Like, now tap on to get started. So after tapping on to get started, you are ready to go. Now you can customize them, edit them according to your need. Just tap onto them. You can edit them if you wish to. You can edit this name from here. You can write in descriptions here. You can add gifs from here if you wish to. You can add emojis and etc. You can update it up, and you can just head over to this site, play around all of these options, and you'll be able to use monday.com. So that was it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video. And if you want a briefly described video on monday.com, then let me know in the comment section. I will bring you one. So goodbye.